What's her name again?
JayLy.
JayLy.
My mom, her dog looks just like him.
Dude, she is so pretty. Hi. We remember you when you was just a little puppy. Oh, yeah.
She's not letting me feed her dog. Why that is?
I still need to start my other channel.
Huh?
What were we going to call the other channel for BubLz? What should we call it? Bubbies. Oh, yeah.
Look, this is my mom's dog. Just like him.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God. He really does. Is he min pin or what?
It's a she.
That's a she.
Yeah.
Whoa. Dude.
Yeah.
BubLz, you got some cousins, bro.
Look.
Oh, yeah, he said yeah.
But she's just short. Like, she's like same height as him, a little bit taller, and she's huge.
Wow, dude, she's so cool. She's like so like wow.
He doesn't
Right,
want
like
to
Falcor on Never Ending Story, kind of.
Yeah.
You know, just so beautiful.
Nope. She thinks she's in heat.
She is in heat.
Yeah.
Oh well, I mean, dude,
No, this is her first heat.
they're in love.
No, I don't want no babies.
Oh, what? Oh, okay. I mean, you know,
No,
that's,
no,
I mean,
no.
that's not up to.
Stop being so mean.
No wonder he wasn't coming back over there. You guys have my number in case, like next one.
I don't think I'm trying to breed her.
I mean, dude, she's so little and so amazing.
No.
Think about it. I mean, dude, like seriously, like
No.
I bet we could make like $1,000 a puppy on those if we sold them.
No, you cannot breed her.
Yeah, Mom.
I mean, that would be pretty cool. There'd be so many. Oh, there's. Just imagine, right, the cross between the two. Wow, that would be so cool.
Look at her. She would be more nice to have puppies with him. This is her, the one Jade showed you up close there. That's Daisy. I just took that yesterday.
Oh, yeah,
Can I see a picture
yeah.
of her?
I sent it to Shy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she's about this high. She's
Nice.
like that way. She's
Oh.
Jack Russell too, yeah. So she's got mini pinch and then Jack Russell. Have you
She's
ever
just like
Googled
him.
Lens him?
What? What's
Have
that?
you ever Googled Lens him?
Google Lens?
Can I
No.
Google Lens him?
Yeah, go ahead, do. I can't. I mean, I'm told he's min pin Chihuahua, and
His name is BubLz, yeah?
Fox Terrier. Yeah, BubLz. He's a BubLz. Yeah. He's a BubLz.
BubLz.
He's a stud.
Hey, BubLz. Oh shit.
He's like, Bubs, come.
Oh shit. You gotta sit it going. Yeah.
Oh,
Stay
good
with
boy.
her, look.
Hey, go down too then.
Look at
Me-
him. Oh, cute.
Hey, BubLz. No.
Dude, I think I'm just gonna
Look at
call
Bubs.
this the YouTube channel should just be called BubLz, right?
No, wait.
Just
Okay,
BubLz?
make him turn this way.
Come here.
Upper case or lowercase?
Like BUBZ, BubLz.
Become a.
There you go.
I like him
Or
face
BubLz.
Hey, let me
you
take
make
a
him
picture.
hold-
Let me
BubLz
take
with a
picture.
capital L. What do you think?
BubLz.
I like BubLz with the capital L. You know, B-U-B capital L Z.
Like, what about that picture?
I was trying to make. Oh shit.
No, he's gonna try and breed her.
I mean, just they would love to.
Forget it.
I mean, it's like BubLz. It's just like my girlfriend. You know, he met her when he was just like they were teenagers, all playing around down there and all. You know, it was beautiful. He's just like, I remember you.
wanna play?
I've been thinking about you the whole time.
Come on, BubLz.
He's like, I don't want you.
BubLz is in love.
Want the dog? Huh? Want the dog? No. You can play, Boston. I know.
They're so fun.
Run. Jelly, go.
Don't let him breed her.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with the first heat, isn't it? You know what I mean?
No, I don't want puppies.
Oh,
I'm not stable yet to have puppies.
I mean, we would make that, like, we could make, we could probably sell these puppies for, like, we put them on the internet and auction them off, right? Put them on YouTube. Everybody would be like, I want that puppy right there for $10,000. I want that puppy right there for, right? No, we'll be like, how? We got to make sure, like, prove you're going to be a good home for this puppy. Let's see what you're all about. And then let's see your YouTube. And then, you know what I mean? Like, make sure that the puppies are going to go to good homes. And then it'll be all right.
No.
I mean,
You don't play?
dude, I mean,
I got my Simba stick.
Brandon, I don't want her to.
I mean, they're not gonna. He's not. I don't think they're actually going there. You know, they're just playing. I mean, they're playing.
Brandon. Lily, come. Brandon, grab her.
It's so cute. Oh my god. Wow.
Come here, Jilly.
No.
Don't jump in the water.
Drinky dink. I think this is brackish.
I want that stuff.
Come on, Jilly. Ah, she's gonna be all wet now. Look, Brandon, she's just going in the water.
I want the bamboo stuff.
Jilly, I have water for you in the car.
Is she good in the water?
It's making me thirsty.
Jilly, come.
Why do you have a cup?
I mean,
Look what bamboo is.
yeah, I got a jug. I got a jug of water up the hill there. Yep. I just get. I need hydration. Are you guys okay with BubLz for a minute? If I go get some water? Okay. Oh my god. I need water. I need air. I need like love, you know, like nature, to be able to breathe